Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to our Spring Declutter Challenge, 21 days, tackling a different space every single day. And it has been a huge month. I've made some major progress and I hope you have too. So today is one of the last videos. I've been totally procrastinating on this because it's pretty scary, but it really needs to get done. It's gonna make my life so much easier when it's organized, and it's my very messy garage. So the sun is finally shining here, and so I've got the door open. I'm going to get at least the workbench clean because that's the big part of it that needs to get organized, and then see kind of how motivated I am. If you need extra motivation, don't forget that every single day of this challenge, we're almost at the end, I am giving away a $100 gift card to a local store in your area. I really want you to win. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, comment below, and I'll pick someone every single day. So far we've had some really cool stores get picked, and it's my way to give back to your local community. Okay, I'm procrastinating now by talking. All right, let's get going. My scary garage. Okay, so this is our shop bench. I actually built this last fall. I built the bench and I put this up. I'm quite proud of myself, a very successful project, but we have done almost nothing to keep it organized, and this is nearly impossible to find anything. So this is my main priority today. Get this organized and try and make it a little bit more of a usable space, especially before we start our renovation. Woodpecker deterrents, do we still want these?
Might.
We're farmers now, we keep everything? We're farmers
Very
now.
well may need woodpecker deterrents, okay?
We keep everything. Okay, so definitely made some progress. I'm just gonna tackle the space around the bottom, try and make it so we can actually stand here without feeling like I'm gonna trip over and die. So get rid of that. This is looking really good. I don't know if you saw, but my husband's actually already using the space, so it feels like a win. What is this? Plastic bags? For what is this plastic bags for? Do you remember?
Those are good plastic bags. Packaging meat.
Okay, I totally didn't pick the right clothes for this job. Black and sawdust, not a good combo, but I got a ton done, and it only took me about a half an hour. So I have a ton more to go on this garage and in these spaces, and I was just saying to my husband, I really don't want to just be shuffling things around. I really want to find a home and have those kind of workshop, dreamy spaces where you know exactly where all of your tools are when you need them, which is amazing. So I'm gonna keep working on my garage. This week, it's probably big project number 2. My craft room was more crazy. I really needed to tackle that, but this is probably the second place I need to start spending some time. So I hope you got after your garage, or if you don't have a garage, maybe a storage space, or a closet or just any other space that you have. We are so close to the end of this challenge. I really appreciate you sticking with me, and your motivation has been so inspiring. Don't forget to enter the contest to win the $100 gift card. Maybe you can buy yourself some new tools, and I will see you later for the next video. Bye-bye.